Hey you guys, what's up? I was watching a video on this DJ. He was packing up all his equipment to go do a gig, and he was a little nervous about forgetting some of his equipment, even though he takes the same stuff all the time. I mean, we all get forgetful sometimes. You can be in a hurry too, and that will definitely assist you in forgetting stuff. So anyway, I thought I'd make this checklist template for anybody. Anyway, let's go into your let's go into your reminders, and you're gonna hit the bottom right, add list. We're gonna call this gig checklist. We're gonna change the icon to these little headphones down here. Seems appropriate. Yeah. Okay, so for the checklist, we're always gonna take our controller, our speakers, XLRs, our stands, and I don't know what else goes with stands. Tripods, I guess. And let's take can't forget our iPhone cable. Anyway, these are the basics. What else will we take? Our controller, speakers, headphones. Can't forget those. See, I already forgot those. And what you could do here with the cable situation, let's make one that's called wires. This is gonna be a folder. You can grab the XLRs here and dump them into the wires folder. The iPhone cable, dump it in here. So now you got like a little subfolder here. Anyhow, let's hit the three dots on top. That's your confirming that's the one you want to save. Hit save. And on top, you notice you got that little duplicate icon. So now you got your checklist, your main list. It's always going to be the same. So we're going to go do a party. So we're going to go do a party at Tony's. Tony's throwing a party. He's got a big old backyard. Tony, crazy dude. So you click on your checklist. Hit the duplicate on top. Click on checklist. Let's call this Tony's. Not Tanya, Tony's Get Down. Okay, create. Now you got Tony's Get Down on the bottom. Now you can add to this. You got your regular stuff, your headphones, all that good stuff. But Tony likes to booze it up, so he likes to drink. So we're gonna take our booze. We're gonna take some chairs to Tony's. And you know what? We might even need some electrolytes. Alright. Hit done. Go back. Tony's Get Down. Got your checklist. Alright, let's do one more. We're gonna do a pool party. Okay. Same thing. Go to checklist. Hit the duplicate. Gig checklist. Pool party. Now this one's a little different. Okay. The pool party. It's gonna be hot out there, so I'm gonna take my easy up. I'm gonna take let's see. For this one, it's pretty far away, so take 100-foot extension cord. All right. Matter of fact, let's take our EcoFlow power bank. Anyway, I think you guys get the idea what we got going on here. So there you got your 3 gigs. And how this works is we're going to Tony's, right? Now all you do is simply touch the little circles there as you're loading your stuff up. I got my headphones. And we gotta stop at the store to get the booze, so we won't put that yet. And I got my XLRs. Matter of fact, I got all my wires, so I'm gonna click that. And there you go. That's Tony's. Is that Tony's? Yeah, Tony's party. Anyway, so what you could do after that is when you're done, party's over, got your electrolytes going, you just swipe left, Tony's, get down, delete it, boom. Now you got the pool party coming up, and there's your list. All right, you guys, I hope that helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. Later.